Guys, okay, if you all are good and don't have any question, let's move forward. So there are different arithmetic operators are available in Java. So what are these operators are? So any calculation type, for example, if you have to add two numbers, if you have to multiply by two number, if you have to divide by two number, if you find any remainder of two numbers. So there are specific mathematical operators are available in Java that helping us in creating the calculation, in performing some calculation in the uh, like in Java. Okay, what are these operators are? This plus operator is used to add, minus operator is used to subtract, star operator is used for multiplication, this slash is known as divide, division operator is used to divide, percentage operator is used as a reminder. What is the remainder is? For example, you divide two things and then you can find some remainder there, then it will show you. So these things will you will use to add the things.